The US stock market has been trading higher for a week. The rally is driven by optimistic sentiment. Nevertheless, experts warn about a possible deep retracement. Yesterday, investors' optimism was dampened by weaker than expected unemployment claims for the last week. The Labor Department reported that continuing claims for unemployment benefits remained virtually flat at 3.73 million last week. Besides, the number of initial jobless claims rose higher than expected to 744,000 from a week ago. Now let's figure out how this information has impacted on the market sentiment. Yesterday, all benchmark US stock indexes closed with gains. The Dow Jones grew 0.17% to 33,510 points. The Nasdaq logged the biggest increase, having closed 1% higher. Analysts do not rule out a strong retracement for the Dow Jones. Meanwhile, it's set to trade in the corridor of 33,200 to 33,600 points. The US dollar index dropped again yesterday. Now it's trading at about 92.10 despite a 10-day losing streak of the US currency. Experts still learn this downward correction. Meanwhile, the US dollar index is moderating its fall. Analysts expect the index to trade in the range of 91.80 to 92.40 in the nearest 2 days. The clear-cut trend is uncertain about the USD CAD pair. It's trapped in the trading range of 1.2450 to 1.2700 at least until the next week. A further scenario will depend on the dynamic of the US dollar. There are no fundamental factors of the loony's growth or fall. On Friday, Bitcoin surged more than expected to $58,400 per token. At the same time, altcoins have been rallying to a greater extent. Importantly, crypto traders have closed massive high-margin long positions on Bitcoin and altcoins over the last 2 days. In practice, it indicates that the level of $55,000 will hardly be broken and the cryptocurrency is on track to continue the uptrend. The odds are that the number one digital currency will be able to fix above the level of $60,000 at the second attempt. Fundamental factors suggest this scenario. Bitcoin is likely to trade in the corridor of $58,200 to $59,000 per token intraday. Yesterday, Fed's chairman Jerome Powell gave an optimistic forecast for the full reopening of the US economy in the near time as a result of steady progress in the mass vaccination. Besides, the Fed's leader pledged to proceed with the stimulus packages as long as needed to bolster economic growth. On top of that, IMF Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva gave the thumbs up to the new stimulus package worth $2.2 trillion proposed by Joe Biden. With this plan, the White House aims to overhaul the national infrastructure and the manufacturing sector. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you on Monday. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.